Not sure how much mobile data you're using? Let's check your data usage on your iPhone so you don't get any surprise charges. Before we start, hit subscribe so you never miss helpful iPhone tips like this one. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap Cellular or Mobile Data depending on your region. Step 3. Scroll down a bit. You will see Current Period Data Usage right under the Cellular Data section. This shows how much data you've used in your current billing cycle. Step 4. Keep scrolling to see which apps are using the most data. You can even turn off data for any app you don't want using your plan. To reset your stats, scroll all the way down and tap Reset Statistics. It's a good idea to do this on the day your billing cycle starts. And that's it. Now you can keep track of your data and stay in control of your mobile plan. Hit subscribe for more smart iPhone tips you'll actually use.